Have you ever found it hard to put someone out of your thoughts? It feels like your mind is replaying ideas about them nonstop on an endless loop. Contrary to popular belief, rumination is a widespread phenomenon. Whether you're thinking, contemplating, or just plain obsessed, there's just one thing going on here. This individual is on your mind all the time. Are you curious as to why? Let's explore the intriguing causes of this thought pattern. Number one, one fascinating reason you can't stop thinking about someone is that they might be thinking about you too. This idea, often called reciprocal thinking, suggests a mental and emotional bond where both parties are subconsciously aware of each other's thoughts and feelings. When someone thinks about you intensely, it can create an energetic connection. Imagine it as a mental signal being sent from their brain to yours, sparking thoughts and feelings about them. This connection can be especially strong if there's a deep emotional bond or unresolved issues between you. Scientifically, our brains are wired for social connections. When someone is frequently in our thoughts, it's a signal that our brain is prioritizing that relationship, often because it senses that the other person is doing the same. In essence, this interconnectedness creates a loop where each person's thoughts feed into the others, making it hard to stop thinking about them. Number two, denial your feelings for someone. Denying feelings is another strong reason why you may find yourself continuously thinking about someone. When you are passionately attracted to someone but refuse to acknowledge or embrace your feelings, your mind may become preoccupied with them. It's as if your heart is screaming its actual emotions, but your conscious mind is attempting to repress or ignore them. This internal struggle generates a mental loop in which you constantly think about the individual while attempting to rationalize or deny your emotions. The more you suppress your emotions, the more they remain in your mind, making it difficult to focus on anything else. Accepting and confronting these emotions is frequently the first step towards stopping the cycle. Number three, instant connection and empathy. When you have an immediate and profound connection with someone, you can't stop thinking about them. This connection transcends language, making the person a constant presence in your thoughts. You begin to feel their emotions as if they were your own, developing a strong sense of empathy and attachment. This connection can transform them into a mental friend who is constantly there in your head, even throughout ordinary activities. Number four, craving companionship. Furthermore, the inherent human urge for companionship might lead to enduring feelings for someone. When you are lonely or isolated, your mind automatically seeks others who make you feel connected and understood. This isn't always about romantic attraction. It's about the human longing for shared experiences, warmth, and understanding. Your brain desires comfort and connection, so you consider those who can meet these demands. This yearning for friendship might make it difficult to stop thinking about the person who gives you a sense of connection and belonging. Number five, another important explanation is the coexistence of love and hatred. Intense relationships, particularly with ex-partners, frequently include a combination of positive and negative emotions. Genuine attachment and mutual joy can evolve into bitterness and resentment over time. This emotional tug-of-war keeps your mind occupied as you strive to reconcile these opposing emotions. Your brain transforms into a battleground, revisiting the individual repeatedly in an attempt to resolve the inner conflict between love and hate. This conflict makes it impossible to stop thinking about them, as your mind tries to comprehend and reconcile these complicated emotions. Number six, evaluating a new connection. When you meet someone new who catches your interest, your brain goes into high gear, absorbing every detail about them. You're evaluating their qualities, wondering if this connection could turn into something deeper. Your mind churns, trying to figure out if you two could be a good match. This process keeps the person at the forefront of your thoughts as you analyze their actions, words, and potential. This mental evaluation can make it hard to stop thinking about them, as your brain is actively processing and considering the possibilities of this new relationship. Finally, the security basis effect is another reason why you may be continually thinking about someone. When someone delivers a sense of security and comfort, your brain recognizes it and gravitates towards them, particularly during times of stress or uncertainty. This individual becomes your mental safe haven, someone you turn to for emotional support. When life's difficulties come, your thoughts instinctively turn to them, seeking solace and security. This reliance on their presence as a source of security might make it difficult to stop thinking about them, as your mind searches for the comfort and reassurance they bring.
If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content from Daily Growth. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.